Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we solve exercise number 3-8. In this exercise, suppose the inspection can result in one of three outcomes. The passing probability is 75%, the part failing probability is 11% and rewash probability is 14%. Remember, in the previous case we have the only two probability values, that the pass probability is 75% and 25% of the fail probability. In that case, the process is again moved back to the wash station for rewashing and further re-inspection. But in this case, the probability for failing and rewashing are separated, mean those parts whose fall in that probability values are leave the system, but the part whose probabilities uh, is around 14% are moved back to the rewash workstation for rewashing the process. And in this problem we have to count the number of eventually fail and the number of eventually pass, and gather some other statistics values like time in queue length, utilization at the inspection center. Okay, now let's move to the arena home screen. So here you can see part arrived to the system using the create module, and there is nothing changed in this module, and there is also nothing changed in this process module, drill centered process module, and there is also nothing changed in the washing center process module, as well as there is nothing changed in the inspection center process module. We have to only change the type of the decide module from two-way by chance to n-way by chance, and after changing the type simply click this add button, and here you can see first 75% probability are for those parts who leave the system first time, or you can say clean the part, and 11% is the probability for those parts who leave the system after failing, and here you can see 11% probability for fail or the faulty part, and the rest probability values are going or sent back to the washing center for rewashing and then re-inspection and then again rechecking and then leave in the system. Okay, so we have to only change this decide module from two-way by chance to n-way by chance, nothing else. And these two charts remain the same. This one is for queue length and this one is for the number busy. And under the run setup module, there is nothing changed in these parameters, and now simply run the simulation. Let's slow it down to see, and now you can see the queue length in the previous exercise was grows bigger and bigger, but in this case this process is much better than the previous exercise problem 6 and 7. As you can see in at the inspection center, the length of uh, the queue length at the inspection center is grows bigger and bigger in the previous exercise problem, but in this case it's looking much better. But again, this is the simulated result, so it's really difficult to quantify it without uh, statistical judgment. So statistical analysis must be required. Okay, so you can see the queue of the waiting time at the inspection center is 8.24 and its maximum value is 27, and the inspection center number waiting value is 1.6 and its maximum value is 7. So you can clearly compare these result values with the previous exercise result values, but you have to definitely apply some statistical analysis to make some decisions. Okay, and the utilization of the drill press, sorry, inspector is 88.66%. Okay, so the number out for the faulty part is equal to 16 and for clean part is equal to 66. So this concludes our exercise 3-8. Thank you.